Hi friends, today I am going to show you two pamphlets with different types of chutney. One is with green and one is with mustard. For green chutney, I have taken few stalks of coriander leaves, mint leaves, one piece of ginger, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, green chilies, piece of mango, raw mango, little salt, little cumin seed. This is for green chutney, green paste. For mustard I took turmeric powder, 4-5 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, green chilies, tomato. Now I will grind this into a paste, and so the paste is ready. We put 1 teaspoon of cod liver oil. For this we'll add teaspoon of mustard oil. Mix it nicely. Mix the oil in the chutney paste. Stir it nicely. Marinate the pamphlet. Fill nicely inside. Marinate the other side. Marinate and keep for 10 minutes. The green paste is already applied for the fish. You will marinate and keep for 10 minutes to put in the green. Now you will marinate the second one, the yellow paste. And then it right, which is cut in the pieces. Let the masala go right inside that. So both the fish which is marinated and kept, we'll keep it for 10 minutes. So the marination of the pamphlet is ready. We keep on the banana leaf on the griller to grill the fish. So the marination, everything is ready. We are kept on the banana leaf. We'll grill this fish now. Close the lid. Let's check the fish which is kept on the grill on the banana leaf. Check whether it is ready or no. Fish is ready. It took approximately 15 minutes to grill the fish on the banana leaf. So dear friends, the fish which was cooked on the banana leaf in the grill is ready to serve. Please do like it, share it, and please write your comments and subscribe my channel.